For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Bitcoin, the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency, has grown from an obscure digital token into a major financial asset. With AI, artificial intelligence, becoming increasingly sophisticated, you can now use it to make smarter, safer, and more efficient decisions when buying Bitcoin. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of purchasing Bitcoin using the power of AI to assist you at every stage. Step 1. Understand what Bitcoin is. Before you dive into buying Bitcoin, it's crucial to understand what it is. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows peer-to-peer transactions over the internet. It's not controlled by any central authority like a bank or government. Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology, ensuring security, transparency, and immutability of transactions. How AI helps. You can use AI-powered educational platforms like ChatGPT or AI-based apps to learn the basics of Bitcoin, blockchain, wallets, and exchanges. These tools can provide real-time answers tailored to your understanding. Step 2. Set your investment goals. Buying Bitcoin isn't just about opening an account and purchasing a coin. You need to define your investment goals. Are you buying to hold, HODL, long-term? Are you looking for short-term profits through trading? What's your risk tolerance? How much are you willing to invest? How AI helps. AI-powered financial planning tools can analyze your income, expenses, and savings to suggest how much you can safely invest. AI chatbots can also help you create an investment strategy based on your personal goals. Step 3. Research the market using AI. The Bitcoin market is highly volatile. Knowing the right time to buy is essential. Monitor market trends, news, and price movements. Understand technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages. How AI helps. AI-powered news aggregators. Tools like Google News AI, MarketMuse, or Feedly AI can scan thousands of articles and provide you with summarized insights on Bitcoin trends. Sentiment analysis tools. AI bots can analyze social media, news, and forums to detect investor sentiment. Predictive analytics. Some platforms use machine learning models to predict Bitcoin's price movements based on historical data. Step 4. Choose the right exchange. To buy Bitcoin, you need to sign up on a cryptocurrency exchange, a digital marketplace where you can trade cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini, eToro. How AI helps. Use AI-based comparison platforms like Finder or NerdWallet with AI plugins to compare fees, features, and user reviews of exchanges. AI chatbots can help guide you through the sign-up process on most major exchanges. Some exchanges even use AI to prevent fraud and monitor suspicious transactions. Step 5. Verify your identity. To comply with regulations, most exchanges require you to go through KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. Provide personal identification documents, passport, driver's license, etc. Upload a selfie for facial verification. How AI helps. Many exchanges use AI-powered KYC systems to speed up verification. These systems use facial recognition and document scanning to verify identity in seconds rather than days. Step 6. Secure a digital wallet. A crypto wallet is essential for storing your Bitcoin safely. Wallets come in two types. Hot wallets, software-based, connected to the internet. Cold wallets, hardware-based, offline storage for added security. How AI helps. AI can recommend the best wallet based on your usage pattern, security needs, and budget. Some smart wallets use AI to detect suspicious login attempts and monitor unusual activity. Popular wallets include Hot, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Exodus. Cold, Ledger Nano X, Trezor. Step 7. Fund your exchange account. Before buying Bitcoin, you'll need to deposit funds into your exchange account. Payment methods include bank transfer, credit or debit card, PayPal, or other fintech services. How AI helps. AI assistants on the exchange can guide you through the funding process. Some financial apps integrated with AI, like Mint or Inab, help track your crypto-related expenses automatically. Step 8. Buy Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, it's time to purchase Bitcoin. You can buy at market price, instant purchase. Set a limit order, buy when Bitcoin hits a certain price. How AI helps. AI trading bots like 3 Commas, Crypto Hopper, or Bitsgap can automate your trades based on your strategy. These bots use machine learning to predict market trends and optimize your entry and exit points. You can also ask AI assistants to explain order types and help you place trades accurately. Step 9. Transfer Bitcoin to your wallet. After buying Bitcoin, it's safer to transfer it to your private wallet rather than keeping it on the exchange, which could get hacked. How AI helps. Some AI tools integrated into wallets can guide you through the transfer process. AI security monitoring tools can alert you if any unauthorized wallet access is detected. Make sure to double-check your wallet address. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Step 10. Monitor your investment. Once you own Bitcoin, keep track of its performance. How AI helps. Use AI-powered portfolio trackers like CoinStats, Delta, or Kabura to monitor prices, set alerts, and analyze profit/loss. These apps often use predictive modeling to help you decide whether to buy more, sell, or hold. Some AI apps even integrate with your tax software to help you prepare for crypto-related taxes. Step 11. Use AI to automate and optimize. To enhance your experience even more, you can continue using AI to automate trading. Use bots that execute buy-sell orders based on your rules. Manage taxes. AI tools like CoinTracker or Coinly can calculate your crypto taxes automatically. Stay informed. Set up AI news alerts or subscribe to AI-curated newsletters. Final tips and safety measures. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. AI can help you make emotion-free decisions. Use strong passwords and 2FA. AI password managers like LastPass can generate and store secure credentials. Beware of scams. AI fraud detection is built into many platforms, but always double-check offers that seem too good to be true. Conclusion. Buying Bitcoin doesn't have to be intimidating, especially with AI tools at your fingertips. From learning and research to executing trades and securing your assets, AI can help streamline the entire process and reduce human error. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, leveraging AI can give you a significant edge in navigating the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Stay informed, use the right tools, and make smart, data-driven decisions as you step into the future of finance. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.